This quick tip is a follow-up to the previous tutorial where I showed you how to capture a multi-row panorama. In this video, I'll show you the process for compiling the panorama using Lightroom from import right through to final export. First, import your photos into Lightroom and select all the images which make up the panorama. Be sure to only select images that are a part of your panorama. If you include other images, this will confuse Lightroom and will result in a failed compile. Right-click on the selected images and go down to Photo Merge. In the Photo Merge submenu, select Panorama. Once Lightroom has created the preview, you have multiple options to choose from, which will affect the way your final panorama is compiled. The first step is to choose a projection method. This is the system Lightroom uses to merge the photos into the final panorama. Spherical is best for 360-degree images, where you can look around in all directions. Cylindrical is ideal for panoramas and is the method we'll be using today. Lastly, perspective is for replicating a standard wider focal length using multiple pictures from a zoom lens. This is used for creating high-resolution images, commonly referred to as gigapixels. Auto crop will crop your image to the largest format possible, and boundary warp will warp your panorama to fit the square frame. I'm going to enable auto crop for this panorama. I'm now all set to merge. After the processing is complete, a new DNG file is created. This file can be edited in the same way you would edit any other raw file. If you are familiar with editing photos in Lightroom, the process from here will be exactly the same. Select the new image and press Develop. Here you can adjust your development settings depending on your image and the look you are going for. For this image, I'll adjust the settings to what I think works best. Like any other image in Lightroom, you can use all the available features for processing the photo. For example, here I've used a radial filter to control the exposure of the sky. Once you are happy with the look of your panorama, press Export. I'll be saving this as a JPEG so I can publish directly to the web.